How to make money from comedy skits. Number 1. Build a community. Build an audience and community by touching on topics people are already interested in. This may be things people relate to, things that make us human. Making fun of the little things that sometimes frustrate us. It could be on celebrities, politics, and so on. If you want a warm reception, then you have to deal with the things people are already warm to. But at first you really have to decide to deliberately go for big topics so that you pull a big crowd. You will narrow down later. At this stage you just want people to be aware of your brand. Now you will build this audience on any platform you can. It can be television, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. As long as it is a reality for the people there who will engage with it and pass it on. It is fine. Collect their likes, emails, let them joining WhatsApp groups, and retain them in whatever method you choose. Number 2. Segment your community. Platforms like Facebook and any platform you integrate with tools such as Google Analytics will give you data on what age, gender, and location your audience is. If you plan on performing live or having an event around your brand, this will help you make better decisions. Let's say you have a sizable number of fans in Pretoria and less fans in, say, Joburg. You will simply book with venues in Pretoria and speculate that more people are likely to attend. You can even target ads at that particular segment. Now with other platforms you may also further find a way to get users to submit their locations, occupations, etc. in exchange for free content. Perhaps lock an anticipated episode for only people who are willing to be on the mailing list. Perhaps you can do that with the season finale or part 2 of a skit that people loved. Number 3. Monetize the audience. Business is a game of probabilities. Even Colgate and Surf are willing to brand buses. Coca-Cola is willing to give small community shops signage. Alcohol and energy drink brands are willing to sponsor entire sporting tournaments. Why? Because brand awareness is the first step to getting people to consider to buy for them. People are more willing to buy what they have heard of many times than what they have not. So on one level you can sell brand awareness to people that sell stuff or for that need to give attention to a cause through your celebrity status. You may even keep the integrity on the skits but endorse those things through calculated interviews. I have seen many comedians try to make a skit about a cause that they are being paid for, but it's too obvious to the audience. The better way is really to just pass the message as a real ad in between scenes or endorse their products in interviews. Think about it, if you follow someone's content, you also follow their interviews and so on, their posts, stories, and so on. So those are opportunities for placement. Don't hesitate to promote your own product or your own shop. I mean, if corporations can realize your potential to drive them customers, then it means you are sleeping on yourself. Instead of getting a percentage to drive their products, cause, or shops, you could use that to drive yours. That's it. For more creative tips, subscribe to the channel.